So it's been a long time no see. It's been a nice amount of time. I've been so busy working on so many different projects. And I would like to say that I'm definitely coming back. I'm coming back to the channel to create some content. And I'm sure a lot of you guys will be, hyped and excited about that. But I've been so busy. I got a lot of things going on. But right now, I'm going to tell you something that's really powerful. It's extremely powerful because it's something that I do behind the scenes. Now, this is CPA direct linking. Now, whenever you direct link a CPA offer, understand that people are just clicking on a specific link for a specific topic. With this case, as you can see, it's Chase Bank. We already know that so many people got a Chase Bank account. So what if you can put this offer in front of their face and make up to $5.40 for every person that take action on this offer? That's exactly what I'm about to show you how to do right now. So this offer is, like I said, it's very powerful because it's very rare that you will get up to $5.40 just for a simple email submit. But this offer right here, I found over here within CPA Build, my CPA Build account as a direct offer. So therefore, all I have to do is promote this Chase link. And once again, once it converts, that's $5.40. Now, you would only need 4 of those people a day to make $600 plus a month, and 10 people a day to make over $1,500 a month. So at the end of the day, whenever you can make money like this without selling, that's extremely powerful. And I've talked about that for years. If you've been following me for years with CPA marketing, what you have to do is you have to say, okay, I have the offer. All I need now is the traffic. And once those two things meet, the sky is truly the limit. So let me show you how to get the traffic right here. So I'm over here in my Google Ads account. As you can see, I got a bunch of different custom audiences. Let me click this plus sign right here and let me just name this Chase Bank. And I clicked on Audience Manager to get here. Let me click interest right here. Click Chase Bank account. Once I click on Chase Bank, it says Chase Bank online checking account. So I am able to target everybody that has a Chase Bank checking account. So if they got that checking account, then they're most likely going to want a chance to have $500 deposited into their checking account. With that said, all I got to do is click on the Chase Bank checking account. And as you can see, 10 billion to 1 trillion weekly impressions. And as you can see, there are so many other things that I can choose, but we don't need to choose all of that. We only need to focus on people with a regular checking account. 10 billion to 1 trillion weekly impressions can literally make you 5 to 6 figures in a single month. So saving this audience right here, all I got to do is save this audience right here. And once I save this audience, it's going to generate the audience right here. It says under review. It's going to generate the audience right here for this offer so I can start running Google banner ads to this offer. So therefore, anywhere from 10 billion to 1 trillion impressions, what you want to do is you want to go over to Fiverr and get some banner ads created and run banner ad campaigns via Google. Now listen, this strategy right here is how some of the top people in the game of CPA, and I mean even way more advanced than myself, these people are literally making $1 million a week doing similar strategies like this by building huge audiences via Google and using only banner ads to run directly to direct link CPA offers. It's extremely powerful and it can change your life if you only focus on something like this and master it. Now, very soon, I'm going to be adding this entire strategy step by step into the Social Wealth Club that will be relaunching soon. If you know anything about the Social Wealth Club, it was a powerful club that I had. I ran into a few problems with it and I had a few spammers and a bunch of crazy stuff going on. So I had to close the doors with it. But the Social Wealth Club, I'm working on it behind the scenes right now to reopen it, and this strategy and many other powerful strategies will be involved. But even if you don't join the Social Wealth Club, just give this a shot. You only need 3 things. You need the offer, you need the traffic, which is, Google, and you need the banner ads created via somebody from Fiverr. Those are the only 3 things you need to make this strategy work. But once again, if you want to see me go through it step by step, be sure to be looking out for another video of mine when I announce the opening of the Social Wealth Club. It's been a long time once again. I definitely apologize for that. I know a lot of you guys wait on my content when it comes to CPA, but I literally have about 10 different projects running full time right now. So it just keeps me busy and I'm not able to be consistent with uploading content. But no worries whatsoever, because I will be back very soon. And when I say very soon, I'll most likely be uploading a video within a month. And because I'm still working on the Social Wealth Club behind the scenes, I'm working on all of the content. So once you join the Social Wealth Club, you will be able to have access to 2 things: a whole lot of video content that teaches you strategy like this, and a community where you will be able to connect with myself just about on a daily basis. So definitely stay on the lookout for that. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you thought about it, and I will catch you very soon in my next video.